Hello, it's Glamstract here. Another video, another review. Not foundation, but we're talking about my night skincare routine. If you haven't watched it yet, I invite you to check out my morning skincare routine. It will be just on the link on top here, or I'm also going to put in the description below and you can find the link with my everyday morning skincare routine. This video is going to necessarily be a little bit shorter than the previous one, only because I do use some of this morning skincare routine. I use it for the nighttime skincare routine as well. For example, the Farmacy serum and the Farmacy oil I do use for nighttime as well. The Farmacy serum I use the exact amount as daytime, but the Farmacy oil I use a couple of more drops on my skin because at nighttime I really want my skin to soak up all the goods out of this oil. I have my computer over here so I can read you more a little bit the products I'm about to tell you. After I cleanse and wash my face, I go in with an exfoliator slash toner. This is the PHA toner by the Inkey list. This Inkey list toner is incredible because, as I was saying in my morning skincare video, I've been researching and looking for all products that are alcohol-free, fragrance-free, essential oil-free, basically clean products for the skin. Let me read you a little bit more about this toner. PHA, which stands for polyhydroxy acid, is a gentle chemical exfoliant for sensitive skin. Made of large molecules, it removes dead cells from the surface layer of the skin while naturally locking in moisture. The key ingredients is 3% PHA helps to improve skin texture, 3% niacinamide, I don't know how to pronounce this, I apologize if I botch the names, which helps to reduce excess oils and improves uneven tone, and aloe barba denicis leaf juice soothe the skin. Some names, I apologize, I am gonna read them wrong because some ingredients are a little bit hard to read, but this toner is fragrance, essential oil, and alcohol free, which is amazing. I've been using this night skincare routine now for approximately exactly the same length as the morning skincare routine, which is approximately now almost 2 months. And to be honest, I do feel like my skin feels smoother and more radiant compared to what it used to be before. Now, the little bumps are still there, they still haven't disappeared, because they do say get an exfoliator when you start seeing those like little they seem like clogged pores, like little bumps that look like blackheads, but they're not blackheads. Those like little bumps, and they say that an exfoliator really helps to remove those. Now, I still haven't seen that result just yet. I presume 2 months is not enough yet, but I can definitely tell my skin feels more supple. But of course, that's also with the help of all the other ingredients from all the other skincare products that I use. As I said, I go with the Farmacy serum, but I'm not gonna go into details with this because I have a whole dedicated video about this. And after serum, I go with a moisturizer. So the moisturizer that I use is the Honest Hydrogel Cream. Another amazing moisturizer that is really free from any weird and like not good for the skin ingredients. Trust me, I go through each single ingredient, and this has such a clean, such a short list, but such a effective and good list. Let me read you more into this. Honest Beauty Hydrogel Cream is an advanced moisturized release cream for firmer, smoother, more supple feeling skin. This cream is fragrance, essential oils, and alcohol free. And scanning through that little ingredient list, I spot very nice ingredients, such as I wrote them down here. Plenty of water, which is like #1 in the list. Squalane, which is very good for hydrating and soothing the skin. Glycerin, another amazing emollient for the skin. Jojoba extracts, sodium PCA, all amazing ingredients that are really good for the skin. And I love this cream for nighttime because it is slightly on the thicker side. I know it's probably meant to be more for daytime. They do have a nighttime cream, but I do like to use this for nighttime because it is thicker but delicate. It's like just that in between that I love for my nighttime routine. After moisturizer, I go in with my eye cream, and I also use another product from Honest Beauty. This is the Deep Hydration Eye Cream. More details for this. The eye area is delicate, so treat it with a little extra care. A C29 but deeply hydrating cream absorbs instantly to prep skin for makeup and keep skin moisturizer for up to 8 hours. Just the exact amount of hours of sleep that I have. Well, most of the times I have like 6 to 7 hours, but 8, I will give it a stretch. This product is fragrance and essential oils free. It does contain a little bit of alcohol in it, but I'm not extremely worried about because it's like really towards the bottom of the list, which means it's only a little bit. And it doesn't contain limonene. Limonene is how you say it? Which is like it's not very good. So after eye cream, I do go in with the Farmacy Honey Grail oil, which I have already featured in my morning skincare routine. If you want to hear more about this beautiful oil, please go and check out my morning skincare routine video. See, I told you that this video was going to be much shorter than the actual morning skincare routine, and that's because, of course, I've mentioned some of these already in my previous videos, so I don't need to go over again and again. And also because these other products I use for nighttime, they are very simple product but so effective for the skin that really doesn't need a lot of rambling about because they're just good. You know what I mean? You know, when the product is good, it's good. I'm also like starting to try more and more different kind of shampoos and conditioner and hair masks. I still haven't found the perfect one. I've tried the one from Honest as well, shampoo and their conditioner. The shampoo, I don't like it. I regret buying it, but I'm using it till it finished because I spent quite a bit of money on it. The Honest shampoo, it really leaves my hair feeling dry. Like, I know there is fragrance free, and I didn't read through the whole ingredient list. Now I cannot remember at the top of my head. I wasn't planning to talk to you about shampoo in this video, but because we've been talking about Honest Beauty and how amazing their products are for the face, I don't like the products for the hair. It's just feels, you know, while I'm massaging my hair with when I'm massaging my hair while I'm doing the shampoo, and then I just leave the shampoo in for a couple of seconds just before I rinse it off. But if I touch my hair, they feel extremely dry, almost as if they want to snap off. And I do have fine hair, so that scares me a little. But then when I go in with the conditioner, see, the conditioner is good. I like it because then it gets in that moisture and it leaves the hair feeling soft and moisturized. But it's the shampoo that I have a problem with. And another thing, and as I said again, I know it's completely fragrance free, but you know, after I wash my hair, I feel like I can still smell a little bit my scalp oils coming through, which is fine. I've just washed my hair. I know they're clean and I know there's no fragrance. If I wrap my hand on my scalp right after I've blow dried my hair, I feel like I can still smell a little bit of that oils coming through my scalp. So that makes me feel like it hasn't deeply cleaned. It has cleaned, but it's just that thing that leaves my hair feeling pretty dry if I don't go in with products afterwards. Really interested in trying new hair care products. I mean, you guys, if you know of any very good hydrating, good for fine hair shampoos, let me know in the comments down below. Preferably something that is not too aggressive to the scalp, you know, anything with no alcohol or too much perfuming in it. But I have been reading into this brand, which I'm quite curious about. It's called Ouai, which I believe is spelled A-O-U-E, something like that. The only thing is, it's like £22 per tub, which is quite pricey for a shampoo and a conditioner. So I did the sums, and I believe the shampoo is 22, the conditioner is 22, and the hair mask is 32 or 35. So that's quite a lot, like 70, 80 pounds, something like that. For a hair care routine, that seems a little bit pricey. I don't know, we'll see. I'll let you know, I'll keep you posted on that. Not that I was meaning to mention hair products on this video, but I guess I done it, so here you go. But let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about my nighttime skincare routine? Do you use any of these products and how do you feel about them? I personally love them. And also let me know, what skincare do you use for nighttime or daytime, as you wish. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. But also if you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs up as well, because why not? Let's spread the love. And while you're here on my YouTube channel, why don't you just go ahead and subscribe down here. And also head over to my Instagram page where you can find me there at Glamstract as well if you like. Thank you so much for watching once again, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye.